In today's video, we are going to learn how to clear browser cache on Chrome. Open up your Chrome browser in your PC. Click on the three dots at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then, locate and click on Settings. You can also click on the Delete Browsing options here. And you choose to clear cache. Or you click on Settings. Once it is opened up, you click on the Privacy and Security option at the left hand side of the screen. Then you select Delete Browsing Data. Once it's opened up, you select or check only the cache images and files, and you uncheck all other options. Then you click the Delete Data button below. So this will clear all your cache images and files in your Google Chrome. That's it, guys. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to TechSoft channel for more video tips. Bye guys.